What is up, guys? So as some of you guys know on Instagram, I've been in a little predicament here. Look at that. Yeah, I'm thinking about ditching the 20s or just saving up some more coin for better tires, you know. But this is a common problem that I keep having to deal with these Lionhearts. I get them because they're cheap, and then if I do get camber wear, it's cheap to replace them. So, but since I am in the process of changing my career paths, I'm not spending money on anything new. So that's why I picked up these Explorer wheels, and then this is what I'm going to be running from now until through winter. Just some 18x8s that clear my front GT500 rotor and C5 Corvette caliper. Because, so this, no, not this one. So this was my brand new 295 I got for the fronts. Or no, this was on the rear. And I was gonna put these on the front and then my old 305s on the rear. But like, the inside is already bubbling. And like, look how good the tire is still. So yeah, we got some separation in the sidewall here. So that being said, I'm just ditching the whole 20s idea right now and then throwing those Explorer wheels on. Which brings me to this. So I picked up these two 235 40s off of Marketplace. They're like brand new. So these are what are going on the Explorer wheels. And that's what I'll be rocking till winter time. That being said though, I'm gonna try to save a little bit more cash. I'm gonna try mount these myself. I'm gonna try mount them here, then over at my in-laws I'll be using this air compressor because I don't have one. But yeah. I have tried this once before and was successful, but it's been a while since I have done it, so bear with me. These are a really stiff sidewall, so it's gonna be fun doing it manually. All right, let's see how this goes. All right, I wish I would have recorded that, but I pinched this under this Ranger here, and you just start jumping up and down on it, and I got it on, so I'm gonna try to get it the rest of the way. What a pain. Long story short, I give up. So I got all these, almost got that. But I'm just gonna have the tire guy do it. Screw it. With these stiffer sidewalls like this, it's a pain in the butt to get them. I was gonna get like a 45 or 50 sidewall, kind of like this Continental tire I have here. But this is just gonna be a spare. but these were like super cheap, so that's why I bought them. So yeah, the car's gonna look funny for a while, but I'll make another video once I get these thrown on. Which means I'm probably gonna have to get rid of the flares, unfortunately. Unless I want to run like a 3-inch spacer, but that's not gonna happen, so. Yeah, what a fail. But on the other hand here, back in this crusty neighbor's truck, I'm gonna be rewiring his headlight harness here. As you can see, it kind of melted. So all of his lights turn on except his headlights, so I'm wondering if it's because of this. So that's what my project for today is. Get that, knock that out real quick, and then see if his headlights work. Oh, but I just wanted to show you guys the difference here. These new 18s compared to the 20s. So yeah, this is what my car looks like currently. Such a sad sight. So that's how much shorter it's gonna be. Like, it's not terrible, but it's still a good inch shorter. And then come over here, and same thing. Long run, these are gonna be better anyway, because if you look here, those are 380, but these are 320, so they're a little junkier. So I might put these in the rear actually, then put the Firestones in the front. Yeah, these 20s are going bye-bye for a while. Might sell them. And then if you compare them to these, so these are my fronts. That's so depressing. So like right there. So going from a 285 to a 235. That is what it is. Just can't be having this happening all the time because of my camber. So to save some money, we're switching to 18s for a while, which means the license plate I just threw on there won't make any sense because it says thick. More like skinny, anorexic. But yeah, I give up on these wheels though. Have the professionals do it. Alright, so here's the new switch here. Yep, looks the same. Just gonna have a few extra wires that I don't need, so oh well. Let's get her done. I'll show you guys once I'm done. Oops, got so into it I forgot to show you guys, but everything's all buttoned back up. I don't know how to close this gap here, but yeah. Got everything all buttoned up in here, and I think that's gonna be it for this little today's vlog. Remember, there's always something to do, whether it's something you like or not, but yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one.